Alan's going to be the cameraman. I'm doing the sound here, and we're going to do a motorcycle ride around Pattaya, around the main part of Pattaya. We're going to right along Beach Road, take a left turn up the South Road to Sukhumvit, and the Sukhumvit carriageway right down to the other side of Pattaya, coming in from the north side, I would believe. North Road, I think it is. And back to where we are. And yeah, see how that goes and see how long it takes, guys. Okay. Alright, let's go. One of my favourite areas in Pattaya. Soy 7 and 8. And Beach Road for a walk along in the evening. It's really nice. So if you're on a motorbike, guys, one thing to always be aware when you've got these, we call them song towers, the back buses. There's one in front of me. It's loaded with people. So if you get stuck behind one on the left hand side, be careful, because they just toot their horn and they put their indicator on and they brake and stop right away in front of you. So when you've got these back buses in front of you, make sure you move over to the right hand side and just past them. But try not to get stuck behind one. So the weather today is about, I checked the weather app I've got, and it said 28 degrees. So you can bet your boots it's probably about 30. It's a bit hazy, it's not absolutely clear, but it's a bit hazy. There's a back bus in front here, so I don't want to get behind it directly. The traffic starts to build up a wee bit at the end of the road, because at the end of the south side of the beach road, you're coming near Walking Street, which doesn't really come alive until later on tonight. It can be a bit busy. Okay, so we'll continue up the south side. So we'll get up to the traffic lights here. To keep away from the inside lane, because people use that to turn left, because you can turn left against the red light in traffic. Which is permitted. So if you're stopping at a red light, don't be stopping in the left hand lane. because you'll get people behind you just honking it. To the right hand side of the junction here takes you to Jomtien, and again we'll maybe do a bike ride to Jomtien to show you the route. It's very easy actually, it's just, but you can get lost just like anywhere else if you don't know the area. You see that bus there turning left on the red light. And also you'll notice on the lights, you can see there's a countdown there on the 7, 6, 5, 4. So it gives you an idea to get yourself ready to go. So we're going to head off now. I don't want to drive too fast because it could destroy the audio with the wind. But we're on the South Road, heading away from the beach road at a right angle up towards the main route at the Circumvent. They call it Circumvent Road. Now if you do get a motorbike and you want to get some fuel, I'll take you in to the garage up here, and quite a simple process. See the road markings are also showing you can turn right here also for Jomtien Beach. You can see I'm in the left lane. So there's the tourist there, just signalling left in the left lane, not realising they can actually turn left. Now watch this guy with the orange jacket, he'll just go right round to the left. Anyway guys, so we're going to go and get some fuel. Look for one that Motorbike's at, so there's one right there. And we'll go in here, and for this wee Honda Click I'm taking 91, so that's ESIP 8, 91 and Thai. Just tell them how much you want. If you've got a wee Click, all you do is you put it to here, open up the seats. Thai.
Okay. Okay.
So you see he wants to do everything himself, so that's good.
I no have baby, no money, no honey.
No money, no honey. Oh, okay.
Yeah. No money, no honey.
Oh well, don't worry about
Lady,
it.
money.
But you've got a job. Kuntamyan, Twani, Kuntamyan money.
No,
Dimak. Yeah. Nungroy. Now you have money for honey, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Take care, buddy.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you, boss.
You're welcome.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, bye. See ya. See you on YouTube. Oh, here we go. Good. And you get this people who are really humpty about it, you know. What gets me is you'll get people standing outside, male or female, in the middle of the street with thousands of people walking past in a bathing costume or less, and they're really upset with somebody. Or if somebody walks past them with a camera, I understand the reasons why people don't want to be videoed, and I wouldn't video anybody or anything to upset anybody or anything. Anybody that follows my channel would know that anyway. So, however, there's a few evening videos that we've done in Pattaya that people might find, I don't know if you'll find it offensive or not, but I'm only videoing what I see, you know, and anyway, let's carry on with the video we're doing, and we're heading up here now to Circumvent Road, and this South Road is a good kilometre. You probably wouldn't come any further than when we are, especially much further than that garage, if you were on foot, for sure. You would really need wheels. And if you're considering renting a motorbike, guys, you know, I would recommend it to those people who are confident and got good control, you know. Like, go on the back of your bike, your partner's bike, and drive around in it and get the feel for it, and then you can go ahead and get one for yourself, you know. But if you're on your own, you'll just need to bite the bullet. You can see Super Centre on the right. So we're coming up to Circumvent, and this is the main carriageway that will help you to join the route to Bangkok. We're going to just do this little slip road here rather than going straight up. This is a slip road that joins the Circumvent Road. You'll always see and recognise Circumvent Road with the bridges, all the signs and the pictures of the king and etc. So on the left you've got the standard TT stations, a lot of garages down here, motorbike repairs, car repairs on the main route. Just going to carry on down Circumvent Road here. started up at Soy 7, finished at Soy 7. And there we go, that was it. The issue now is we've got a sore backside. I don't know how long it took, but anyway guys, we'll see you in the next video.